Simply Saffron by Pooja Seal. I'm Pooja, and today I'm going to share with you one of the quickest bread that you can make within an hour. That's jalapeno cheese bread, and this is a quick bread. You don't need any yeast or anything. It's just the leavening agents, the baking soda and the baking powder, just like a cake, but it turns out to be really yummy just with a dollop of butter and a cup of coffee, and you're done for the breakfast. You can make it in the Christmas morning too. So let me show you how. To start with, we are going to take 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and then we are going to add half a teaspoonful of salt and half a teaspoonful of baking soda, and to that we are going to add 1.5 teaspoonful of baking powder, and lastly 2 tablespoons of white sugar. So we are going to mix all of them together. So once it is mixed, we are going to keep it aside and then carry on with the wet ingredients. For that, we are going to take 1/4 cup of oil. You can use melted butter too. To that, we are going to add 3/4 cup of sour cream. You can use, if you don't have sour cream, you can use yogurt like Greek yogurt, but make sure it's at room temperature. Now to that we are going to add 1 whole egg, and we are going to whisk all of them together. Now once it is mixed, in this we are going to add 1/4 cup of milk. This is room temperature milk, and mix it. Now we are going to keep it aside and bring in the dry ingredients. Now in the dry ingredients we are going to add the wet ingredients. So slowly we are going to pour it. And now we are going to mix all of them together. Now you can see the dough is almost done. It's mix everything together. Make sure scraping the sides. Now at this point we are going to add 1.25 cup of shredded cheese. So this is the cheddar cheese and jack cheese. You can use any cheese you want, and this is jalapeno. I've deseeded it and cut it into small dices. This is 1 medium jalapeno. So we are going to mix all of them together. Now once this is mixed, we are going to put it in the baking pan. So I have a bread pan. This is 9 by 5 inch, and I have lined with a parchment paper and greased it. This is easier because the parchment paper, it makes it easy to take it out. So we are going to put the batter in, the dough in. We are going to level it with a spatula, and now we are going to put it in the oven at 350 degree Fahrenheit and bake it for 1 hour. So we have taken the bread out, and while it is warm, we are going to add just a little bit of butter on top, and then we are going to cut it into pieces. So let me cut a piece and show you how it looks. It looks fantastic. Still warm. So you can see the jalapenos, the cheese, and it's soft. You can just eat it just like that, or you can toast it and put butter in it and eat it. This is just how soft, and it smells really good too. Your jalapeno cheese bread is ready, and it's good to go with a cup of coffee. So hopefully you're going to make this Christmas season, and I'm sure your family will be so happy to eat it. Don't forget to subscribe and like my YouTube channel, Simply Saffron by Pooja Seal, and also press the bell icon, as I always say, because it'll send you notifications whenever I post a new recipe. And check out the description box for the ingredients, and see you next time then. Bye.